Oh, hi there. So, you wanted to learn a little bit more about space. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, you and I are going to be going on a journey to find out just how humans came to know what we know about the universe today. And it all started with the Big Bang. The Big Bang's a bit of a funny name, isn't it? Because there's no sound in space. But these idiots back in the 1950s were just real goofy, I guess. But I digress. You know, of course, we didn't always know there was a Big Bang. In fact, it all started back with the ancient Greeks. The ancient Greeks were the first people to look to the stars for answers. They developed astrology to try and predict their fate using the patterns they saw in the night sky. Later, Aristotle came and proposed the geocentric model of the universe, with Earth at the center of everything. Then, Ptolemy came along and was able to support the geocentric model by accurately predicting the pathways of planets using a complex system of epicycles. Now, the geocentric model held for a long time. But then Copernicus came along and proposed that the sun was actually the center of the universe, and that Earth rotated on its axis. Kepler then came and supported the heliocentric theory by discovering that the planets orbit the sun in ellipses, and that they sped up as they neared the sun. Galileo was the next champion of the heliocentric model. He used his telescope to study the solar system at greater magnification than ever before. He discovered that the planets went through phases, just like our own moon. Newton radically changed how we look at space and our world by discovering the fundamental laws of physics that govern our universe. After Newton's discovery of gravity, scientists were using math to try and explain just how our universe works. Einstein was the next big innovator. He determined that the universe was not infinite and developed the theory of relativity. Finally, we get to the theory of the Big Bang. The Belgian priest and astronomer, Lemaitre, proposed that the universe started as a primeval atom and then expanded to what we have now. The first support for the expanding universe came when Edwin Hubble discovered that the light from galaxies far away from us was redshifted due to the Doppler effect, which confirms that they were moving away from us and that the universe is expanding. The expanding universe theory was not widely accepted initially. Some scientists believe that the universe is unchanging, known as the steady-state theory. Fred Hoyle was a firm believer in the steady-state theory and developed the theory of nucleosynthesis, which, ironically, was more supportive of the Big Bang theory than the steady-state theory. Further support for the Big Bang came when ex-Soviet physicists Gamov and Alpher theorized that the Big Bang would have created hydrogen, helium, and lithium in the same proportions that we see in the universe today. The final piece of evidence that was discovered in support of the Big Bang was the cosmic background radiation. Two radio technicians, Penzias and Wilson, found that no matter where they pointed their telescope, there was a faint buzzing. A professor at MIT found that this was the cosmic background radiation, or leftover radiation from the Big Bang.
Hi, my name's Alan Guth. My theory of inflation states that directly following the Big Bang, the universe was expanding faster than the speed of light. Also, the four fundamental forces were all combined into one superforce, gravity being the first one to leave. Are we done?
Yeah, that should be good.
Okay.
Thank you for going on this journey with me today, and I hope you learned something.